Hi, now it's time to talk about widgets. To better understand what are widgets, let me show you how it's constructed your template. For example, your template have the header, so it's this part on the top of the website which is looped, so it's visible. It is visible on all pages in the same place, and the footer here on the down of the website is also in the loop, so it's the same on each pages. The content you edit, it's between header and footer. Okay, so when you use some content editor and want to edit a homepage or other page, you just edit the content between header and footer. And the widgets are specially prepared places where you can add some content which will be placed in this loop. So when you will add widget in the footer, for example, in these columns, you will make the change only one time in one place, and on each page will be the same change done. So when you go to the Appearance and Widgets tab, you will see your specially prepared widget places for your theme. Each template will have different widget areas, but sometimes it can happen that your template have just one sidebar, for example, widget area, and it's used in the blog site or somewhere else. When sometimes you will have the option in your template to add new, for example, add new widget areas, and sometimes will be hard-coded, like in this template, a few special widget areas. In this template we use, for example, header bottom right widget. It is this button in the right side of the menu, and each column in this footer is also prepared as widget areas. So in here you will see the footer 1, footer top 2, footer top 3 and 4, and footer bottom 1, 2, 3. So here is footer top, and here is footer bottom, as you see. Okay, and now when you want to change something, for example, in footer top 1, we see that we here have the About Us text, some heading and some text, and when you go to this widget area, footer top 1, you will see that we used here the custom HTML tool to add content. When you click on it, it will expand, and you will see the title here. So it is the title, and here we got some text. When we just type something and click save, now refresh site, you will see that the new text is added in this page. And when we go to another page, for example, to contact, this content also is added here. So you make just one change around this in this place, and this change will be shown on each pages. In here you have the widget areas, and in the left column you see all tools which you can use in these widgets. For example, you can add some archives, audio, calendar, etc. The mostly you will use the text, plain text area. For example, to add it, just drag and drop this element to the widget area you will want to show it. And for example, in here in sample text you will see the classic editor where you can add some content, and it's easy to manage. So in this text tool which we added, you will see it's added in the this column. This template is prepared in this way that we can have as much columns in footer top as we have prepared here, so we can have one more column in here. So when I will move this tool to the 4th column and refresh site, the template created another column in this way very quick. So in this way you can just manage these widgets. You can add here some different tools. For example, here we have navigation menu, and from here, from previous video, you know how to create menu. When we have created some menu, we can select it from here. When you will have much more menus, the list will be bigger. And when we click to save and refresh site, you will see your menu also in the footer. So it's very easy and very quick to manage it, and it's very easy to add some content on each pages in one time, and you don't have to change or make this change 100 times for each of your page to change some of the content. So if your template is created in a good way, you will have not too much work to make some edits. So when some widgets are prepared, for example in your offer, when you will show the sidebar on offer, it's not done on the side, but you can make something like this. So on offer side you will have the sidebar, and inside this you will have the extra navigation and maybe contact information. So in this way, on each offer pages, when you select this sidebar or the widget area, you will have to just make change inside just this one place, not in all of the pages, on each of the pages separately. Thanks for watching.